Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Litecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame before I get started. From a disclosure perspective, I do own Litecoin from the long perspective, so just keep that in mind as I go through the analysis. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. It's been a long time since the last time I did do the Litecoin chart, but that is where these green line annotations are coming from, and one of them no longer pertains for the time being, and that's up there at that level. So I'm just going to get rid of that. Like I said, it doesn't pertain to the current price and status of things. With all that being said, remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15 hours from now, then yeah, sure, the chart will look different to you. But my goal here from a presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about general levels and then walking you through some overall questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of things. The very first question that you need to ask yourself about is in regards to this area I've talked about before, but that is the green line right there, right around the $50 and 50-cent mark, give or take. Point here being that over the past couple of days, you can see that the price has done a great job of holding strong up above there. Yeah, temporarily the price is broken down below it, but then also the price has snapped back up above it quickly in all those instances. So that is definitely an important area of support. So like I said, question number one when you watch this, and we'll just say 15 hours from now. So you're watching the video 15 hours from now. Question one becomes, where's the price at relative to $50.50? If the price is still up above it, when you're watching it 15 hours from now, 20 hours from now, then great. That means that the bulls still have an opportunity to kind of chip away and build this higher base. If you are answering the question that the price is actually down below it, well, then it becomes a matter of kind of a little common sense and gut instincts, meaning if the price is down below it, but it's right there, okay, yeah, technically it's broken below it, but it's not like it's the end of the world or anything disastrous. However, if you're watching it and the price is currently down around, $48.50, well, at that point, that would be a pretty big breakdown and a sign that the bears have taken over that much more control of it. So that is why, starting off with that core question of where's the price currently at with, $50.50 is quite important. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is still up above it, the next key question would be, all right, well, where's the price at relative to these moving averages up here? That purple line being the 50-period moving average, the pink line being the 200-period. I doubt this would be the case, but if somehow you're answering the question that the price is actually up above those moving averages, that would be telling you that a big old breakout is underway and that the chart is looking quite bullish. And then finally, if you are answering the question that the price is just between these two areas, well, then at one point, one word can summarize that, and that would just be consolidation. So if the price is still below the moving averages but up above 50-50, then, like I said, consolidation would be the way to kind of the current status of the chart at that point. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.